Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best wood hole filler is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in any woodworker's arsenal. From fixing unsightly nail holes to repairing larger cracks and imperfections, the right filler can make a world of difference in the final look and longevity of your project. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of wood hole fillers, exploring the different types, their uses, and how to choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Gorilla Wood Filler, Natural Finish, 16-ounce tub. Need a strong and water-resistant solution for your wood repairs? This is the go-to product for fixing cracks, gouges, and holes. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor projects. This wood putty has a unique formula that spreads easily, providing a smooth, natural finish. It blends seamlessly with the wood, making the repair virtually invisible. Whether you're working inside or outside, this wood filler is up to the task. It's water-resistant and won't shrink or crack, ensuring a durable repair in any environment. Want to customize your wood repair? This filler is paintable, stainable, and sandable. You can easily match the existing finish or create a new look. This wood putty isn't just for looks, it also anchors nails and screws. It's a useful addition to your carpentry tools, providing both repair and reinforcement. What we like. This wood filler is water-resistant, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor projects. It's also paintable and stainable, allowing you to customize the finish to match your existing wood. If you have a deck that needs repair or a piece of furniture that sits outside, you should consider this. What people say. The product works as advertised. Easy to use and the color match was perfect. The filler dried quickly and was easy to sand. Number 4. Goodfilla White 8-ounce Wood Filler. Introducing Goodfilla, the wood filler that's changing the game. It's stainable, tintable, and sandable, making it perfect for any project. Plus, it's non-toxic and made in the USA. This wood filler doesn't shrink, sink, or crack, ensuring a flawless finish every time. You only need to apply it once, and it accepts any finish or stain. You can even mix it with pigments. Goodfilla is the most innovative, easy-to-use, water-based wood filler available. It's designed for professionals but is also perfect for everyday DIY projects. It's easy to use for everyone. Unlike other fillers, Goodfilla has an unlimited shelf life because it reconstitutes with water and is freeze-thaw stable. You won't have to throw it away. Whether you're repairing furniture, finishing a floor, or crafting, this is the product for you. Sand, stain, tint, prime, fill, and seal with ease. It's so easy to sand, saving you time. It's also a green product, with zero VOC and zero waste. Your satisfaction is the top priority. If it doesn't meet your needs, you can get a refund within 365 days, no questions asked. What we like. This wood filler is designed for professional woodworkers but perfect for your everyday DIYer, too. It offers an unlimited shelf life since it reconstitutes with water and is freeze-thaw stable. If you are looking for a wood filler that is easy to sand and won't go to waste, you should consider this. What people say. I've tried several different brands of wood filler and I have found this brand to be absolutely the best, both in application and finish. It dries in maybe 15 minutes, I haven't actually timed it, but I usually apply some on the damaged area, leave for a while, then come back and sand it down smooth before covering with my stain or top coat or whatever. This wood filler sands and stains nicely as well. The white oak matched my 1950 oak floors perfectly. Number 3. Minwax 42851 Natural Stainable Wood Filler. This wood filler is perfect for fixing imperfections. It's great for cracks, gouges, and nail holes. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor use. The special formula allows it to accept Minwax penetrating wood stains. This means you can easily match the color of your wood. It works with both oil-based and water-based stains. Use it on all types of unfinished wood surfaces. It's ideal for repairing various defects. This product will make your wood look brand new. This filler is designed to be easy to apply. It will help you achieve a smooth, professional finish. You can easily fix any imperfections. Whether it's a small repair or a larger project, this product is a great choice. It's a reliable solution for all your wood repair needs. It will help you get the job done right. What we like. This wood filler is specially formulated to accept Minwax penetrating wood stains. It is ideal for repairing cracks, small gouges, nail holes, knot holes and other defects in all types of unfinished indoor and outdoor wood surfaces. If you like using Minwax stains and need a filler that will seamlessly blend, you should consider this. What people say. It was easy to work with, it has a good consistency that fills holes and is easy to smooth and sand afterwards. It is a reliable solution for repairing small cracks, holes, or gaps in wood surfaces, whether it's furniture, cabinets, or other woodworking projects. The stainable feature of this wood filler is a standout advantage. It allows you to achieve a seamless finish by matching the color of the filler with the stained wood. Number 2. Guardsman Wood Furniture Repair Kit. Introducing the Guardsman Wood Furniture Repair Kit. This kit helps you easily repair scratches and blemishes on your wooden furniture. It's a simple solution to keep your furniture looking its best. This kit includes 5 color blends of wood filler sticks and a sharpener. You can quickly touch up scratches and scuffs. It's designed for ease of use and fast results. Simply apply the filler stick to the scratch and let it dry. Watch as the scratches disappear. This product is safe for all types of wooden furniture and floors. The wood filler sticks fill and conceal deep scratches. They also seal and protect the wood from moisture. The material won't shrink, dry out, or rub off. The kit comes with 5 colors to match your furniture. Blend them to achieve the perfect look. It's suitable for furniture, cabinets, and more. For surface scratches, combine this kit with our touch-up marker pens, sold separately. This provides a complete, mess-free solution. The markers dry quickly for instant results. What we like. This furniture repair kit includes 5 color blends of wood filler sticks for quick and easy repairs. Simply draw over the scratch and watch the scratches disappear. If you have scratches on your furniture and want an easy solution, you should consider this. What people say. Easy to use and did what I needed. It took a bit of pressure to really get the wax to fill in the spot I was working on. We had some small holes in the floor from heavy furniture and I was able to get them almost invisible. The set comes with white, black, and 3 shades of brown. It covered the lighter spots on the edge of my dresser that I haven't been able to hide with markers or Minwax pencils. Number 1. Minwax Walnut Wood Putty 6 ounces. This is Minwax Wood Putty, perfect for filling imperfections in wood. It's easy to apply and dries quickly, making it ideal for any project. The walnut color is designed to seamlessly blend with your existing wood. It provides a professional finish, making the repairs virtually invisible. This 6-ounce container provides plenty of putty for multiple uses. It's a great value for both small and large projects. The putty is simple to apply, sand, and finish. It's a must-have for any woodworker or DIY enthusiast. This product is a building material, designed to fill and repair wood surfaces. It helps to restore the beauty and integrity of your wood projects. What we like. This wood putty is color-matched, making it easy to blend with your existing wood. It is designed for small defects. If you have small imperfections you want to quickly fix, you should consider this. What people say. The product is easy to use. The color match was perfect. It dries quickly and hard. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.